Sucia STI for you guys, let you guys see what's going on, what's happening with that car. I'm going to be posting that video here. You get to see what we're going to be doing with the car, what we're going to be upgrading, pretty much what I messed up last time I went to the track. So in the video you'll see Andy says he ordered new gears for the car. We also got new synchros, which you guys seen me unbox in the last video. I also will be getting, you'll be seeing what happened with the clutch in the video. So just kind of giving you guys an update, letting you know what's going on. It's been a minute. I've been gone doing work, so like I said, we're going to be giving you guys a little update. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the little short update, the little hangout session I had with Andy. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And just want to say thank you guys for all the love and support. If you guys want to buy some merch to support the brand, check it out. Link in the description below. Right now I'm hanging out with my son, and he's driving the Camry right now. So, but once again, like I said, man, thank you guys for all the support. Be sure to check it out. And once the car's back up and running at 100%, I'll be dropping more content for you guys. So thanks again, and we'll dive right into that update for you guys. So what's up, y'all? We're up here at AA Performance. Coming to see Andy, get an update on the car. Let him know tell me what's up.
Got so hot, it welded that whole strip there that you see missing.
Yeah.
Welded it to the flywheel. I polished out the flywheel, but you can still see the ring where it embedded that brass into the parent material itself. So if it's stuck like glue, I had to use a pry bar and break it loose. So that's slipping it too much on the launch.
Yeah, I just try to, do what I thought was right.
Yeah.
Too much.
Well, it just wasn't broken all the way yet. The clutch wasn't. Because if you notice where the majority of the heat was, up there and down here, it still had some breaking in to do.
Yeah.
But I'm replacing this. Everything else should be all right. You know, that there, I can polish that out, no problem.
Okay.
It's a lot better than having to buy a whole new clutch.
Yeah, I was prepared for the worst. Like I said, you're the magic man.
Well, they're not going to warranty it. The moment they see it, they know exactly what happened.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why I just didn't try to push it out.
That's why Andy's a magic man. The only guy I trust to work on my car here in Oklahoma City.
Here's your other problem. Looked like it wasn't quite in gear whenever you stepped on the gas. See these little teeth here that stick out?
Yeah.
They go in and they lock, because that's how it engages. It locks in like that. Normally, I can sharpen them, but these are rounded off so much that by the time I'm done sharpening it, there's no way it's going to make full engagement. So I have to order all this stuff new.
I think it was needed anyway, so.
Yeah. Well, that's what happens whenever you think you have it in a gear, but it's not quite in gear, and you hit that gas come off the clutch. It
boom.
Yeah.
Build race cars, they said.
Well, if you want to build a race car, then you're going to have to go with like a dog gear setup. You know, where you've got, these are a lot, this piece here, it's like that wide for each of them. Going around, they have a bigger space between them. So that way it will just jam in. Here, if you overspeed it, it just doesn't want to lock in. It's going so fast, it's just buzzing over the ends. spent thousands and thousands of dollars on transmissions. We spent so much on transmissions, we could have bought 2 more race cars. You just bit the bullet and bought a dog gear set first time around, and then you wouldn't have been pulling transmissions in and out of this thing, this car as much. But
Yeah, I see what Preston's got going.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where'd you see that? Is he posting that shit up?
He's been posting, and he's selling some of the stuff he's not using anymore. And cause he's got
I gotta be careful around that nigga because he might be stealing my shit. As far as
well, he's not doing the NA long runner intake anymore.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, well, he sold it. Well, he's got one for sale.
I gave him one.
Oh. As far as I know, he's one of the few automatic racing Subarus, isn't he? Like, I think there's only, what, 2 with the built automatic?
Pretty sure there's more than that out there because the parts are available. If the parts are available, means that other people are doing it.
That's just something I haven't heard too much of in this Subaru community.
Yeah, well, around here anyway, but I'm sure there's people out there that are doing it, or else, you wouldn't have parts for it.
Yeah.
People wouldn't be making converters and shit for those cars.
Yep, so I broke her. I was saying I broke the car. And pretty much right now we're going to be, you said you're putting all new gears in it, new synchros. Andy's going to fix the clutch that I messed up, but he'll make it right. And then we'll have her back and see what we can do once she's broken in again. So. No.
That's a race car.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's true. You gotta break it and see where your weak points are. Just figured I'd give you guys an update, let you know what's going on with the car, see where she sits over right now because of my right foot. So check in and
That's the left foot.
left foot too. Left foot's to blame. So.
Yeah.
Like I said, Andy's the only guy I trust to work on my car. He's a good man. So we'll check in with